Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another day of spring cleaning week. Today I am finally doing the kitchen declutter and organization video that I promised you. So we are just taking everything out of the cabinets. I'm decluttering what I can because as you'll see I have way too many bowls and vases and cups. I just love kitchen stuff. So getting rid of not very many things but what I can and just trying to rearrange things so that they make sense and just overall organizing the kitchen. And today's video is very graciously sponsored by Audible. I'm going to be working with them all throughout this year, which I'm really excited about because Audible is something that I and even my husband both love and use, and I'm just excited to be working with them. And if you don't already know, Audible is the leading provider of audiobooks and spoken entertainment, so pretty much every single audiobook that is out there they have on Audible, and you guys know that that is my preferred way of ingesting books is by listening to them. So every month, members get 1 credit to pick any title and 2 Audible original titles, which that is a cool thing as well. Audible has a whole bunch of original content just for members, which I think is really fun. In fact, Bradley signed up recently specifically to get the James Taylor audiobook that is only available on Audible, and he totally loved it. And something else that's super cool is you can download the titles onto your free app to any of your devices and it remembers where you are. So Bradley's able to jump from listening on his phone to listening on his Apple Watch if he's out for a run or whatever he's doing. We also are both loving the new Jessica Simpson book, which I was a total Jessica Simpson fan like back in the 2000s. I watched her Newlywed show, so we're not that far into the book yet, but it's a book we're listening to together, so I can't like jump ahead without him. He's shockingly as into it as I am. So yeah, I would highly recommend the Jessica Simpson audiobook as well. She narrates it herself if you're into that. So yeah, Audible is great, especially in this weird time where a lot of us have a lot of downtime. Audible would be a great way to pass that time and to even learn something or better yourself in a specific subject that you want to, or just entertain yourself. It's great to listen to while commuting, cooking, cleaning, gardening, exercising, or spending time in quarantine. So I'd highly recommend it. So you can go to audible.com/Amy or text Amy to 500 to get your first month for free. Let me know if you do and let me know which audiobook you decide to listen to. And if you have any audiobook suggestions, please leave them down below for myself and for other people watching because we all need to be entertained in this time of need. So yeah, thank you again to Audible for sponsoring this video. I will have the link and all the information down below so you can go directly click that and sign up for free. And now on with the cleaning. First, Bradley is taking everything off of the shelves in our pantry and wiping them down. And everything you see us cleaning in this video, we are using our thieves cleaner. If you want to see my favorite cleaning product, I will link that video up in the eye in the corner so you can watch that. So yeah, he's just taking everything off the shelves and wiping it down. And as he continues to do that, I'm going to start taking everything out of the cabinet above my pantry. This is where I keep all of like my little vases, measuring cups, ramekins, all my fun bowls. It's just overload in there, so I want to get everything out, look at what I have, declutter what I can, and then reorganize it so that it fits better. So we're both going to continue to do that. I hope you guys like speed clean videos because that is what this video is. So here we go. So as you guys can see, I have way too much crap, but I love it all. I really could barely get rid of any of it, and it's all just pretty, and I use it in food videos or for pictures or just for fun. I have some cool jadeite that I got for my wedding. A lot of, obviously, kitchen stuff we got for our wedding, so yeah, here I am just like deciding over things, and I really only got rid of like 3 random things, and then everything else had to go back up into the cabinets, so we just tried to squeeze in as much as we could. I had some other plant pots that I wasn't using that I wanted to house up there as well, so we're just trying to be strategic and organized. Oh, Bradley had something to say, I guess. But yeah, we took everything out, wiped down the counter, and then now we're putting everything back in an organized fashion. Then once that was done, we moved on to some of the lower cabinets, which this one houses a lot of weird random crap like our corn holders, our little corn plates, our waffle iron. I gave him like a little dish to put all the corn holders in, and we just kind of reorganized that. Then I went through the tea drawer just to see if I could get rid of any of the teas. I ended up deciding to get rid of the tangerine orange tea because I don't think I would drink that. And I had a sleepy time tea I needed to fit into that drawer. And then I took out all the mugs, which we didn't end up getting rid of any of them. I thought maybe we would, but we've done this so many times that we like all the mugs we have. Most of the ones we have are the You Are Here Starbucks and Disney ones, so we love those a lot. I have a couple random Disneyland ones as well. And then I'm just fitting whatever teas couldn't fit in the tea drawer. Those are Bradley's 2 teas. I don't have caffeinated teas, so they're separate, I guess. I don't know. But if we could fit them all in one drawer, we would, but we have too many teas. And then I am taking my thieves cleaner and just wiping down the cabinet to get any spots or anything off. And then we're moving on to, this is kind of like the Tupperware area, which we replaced all of our Tupperware over our wedding registry. We registered for the same Tupperware set twice, and that made it so much nicer. So it's usually pretty organized in there, but we were just tidying everything up. Bradley then moved on to clean the microwave, which again, he's using the thieves cleaner. He just gave it a good scrub down, and then he did take out the little like plate that lives in there and give it a good wash in the sink. And then I moved on to the cabinet below the sink, which gets so gross under there. It really grosses me out, to be honest. I had Bradley like really scrub it, but I got rid of so many toxic cleaning products that we were just hoarding under here that I was never going to use. Bradley then scrubbed it with thieves cleaner as good as he could, as well as he could. My grammar is not always great. And then I'm putting everything back, so we keep like Swiffer things, trash bags. We have like stuff like Drano pretty much. I have backup dishwasher, detergent, dish soap, extra thieves, extra hand soap, and I got rid of so much that was living under here. I also keep some of my gardening supplies and our barkeeper's friend in there as well. So yeah, I got that all nice and tidy, and that felt really good because it was kind of out of control. Then we are onto the cups, which is another area of the kitchen that I have way too much stuff. I love cute little cups. I always buy them like on trips or at Anthropologie or Disneyland. And then of course we got a lot of barware for our wedding. And just, you know, just a lot of cups. Thought I'd show you some cute ones. These are some cute shot glasses that I think Bradley's parents gave to us. They have little feet on them and I love them. This is a super cool cup from Disneyland, which has the Toad ride on one side and then the Alice ride on the other, which this is a prized possession. Another prized possession, our Donald Duck cup from Tokyo Disney that we love, and I just love using these little tiny cups for orange juice in the morning. Bradley wiped down the cabinet, and then we both tried to like reorganize all of the cabinets, or all the shelves. I can't speak. And here is a look at what it looks like when everything is done. We put the more used stuff on the bottom shelf, mostly so I can reach it, and then some of the more like bar stuff on the top 2 shelves. Then I went through our utensils jar, which we have so many utensils because, again, I love buying kitchen utensils. I love rubber spoons. Oh, this is my Snow White spatula that I got at Williams-Sonoma years ago that has never been used because I don't let anybody use it. A lot from our wedding, a lot of wooden spoons. So I took everything out. I cleaned out the utensils jar. I think I did end up getting rid of a couple things, but not too many because I love them all. I really, truly do. So I'm just trying to fit them all back in there as best as I can. Then I'm moving on to this drawer, which gets so jumbled up because we have so much crap in there, but I'm taking everything out and dumping the drawer. It had some crumbs in it. That's just wiping it down with my thieves cleaner, putting the liner back in, and then I'm just going through everything. I didn't really get rid of anything. I just had to rehouse and reorganize things. So we have our pizza cutters, can opener, wine opener, our cheese slicer, some really random things like a strawberry cutter, avocado cutter thingy. And I'm taking both of these trays and washing them out because they had some crumbs in them. This is one of my favorite things in the entire world. It's our Pooh rice scoop that we got at Tokyo Disney. I love that thing. And I'm just trying to put everything back. Our zester, our of glove, our peeler, just getting it all to fit. And then Bradley went through these bottom cabinets because I was tired of doing it, to be honest. So Bradley took over. He's just going through all of our cutting boards, asking me if I need all of them, and I do. So he's just reorganizing those. We got a lot of like cheese plates and cutting boards for our wedding as well. And then we also keep our baking stuff underneath that as well. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
What's wrong?
It feels good to lay down.
We were both pretty over it at this point, but I decided to continue on, so the cutlery didn't really need anything. We do have this drawer of like foil, Ziploc bags, plastic wrap. I am trying to eliminate my use of this kind of stuff, but we do have it, so I am reorganizing it to make it all fit. And if you guys have a favorite brand of like reusable bags, please let me know. And then our very last task of this was to clean the copper pots, and Bradley does this for me because it is actually pretty hard work. So we use Barkeeper's Friend, which is a great thing to use for copper. I will link it down below. So basically you just get the surface wet and then you put the Barkeeper's Friend on top of it. Then you take a hard surface of a sponge and then you just go to town. And as you can instantly see, it just kind of takes off all of the dirt and grime and wear and tear and makes your pots and pans look like new. It always amazes both of us. So it does take some time and it is annoying to do, but it's always totally worth it. We try to do it seasonally just to keep our pots and pans in good shape. And then once he's done using the Barkeeper's Friend, he does clean them just with some dish soap and dry them off, and then we can put them back on the shelves. But okay guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this speed clean of our kitchen decluttering and organizing. I know it probably wasn't that exciting, but if you like a good speed clean and organizing, then you loved this. So thank you guys again for watching. I will see you tomorrow with another spring cleaning video. I hope you guys have a great day and I'll talk to you later. Bye.